Hello everybody, welcome to my refrigerator cooler. I made this. I'm sorry I don't have time to do that right now. We'll take a tour of this. Sprite in the banana. Thermometers in here. Thermostat measures temperature. You could pop this air thing, get some air in there if you want. Like anywhere when it's cold outside. You open the air valve. It's a battery indicator, tells me what's gonna die. Make sure you close this up, it's kinda hot in this house. We don't want the ice to melt, you noticed, right? I made this, good. Let's open this up. There's the compressor. Tell me what you made for this. Leave in the comments below on YouTube, please. Alright. Fill with ice. Still running, okay. That's for today's video. I'm sorry this I'm not on time right now. I got something to do in my house, everything, okay? I'll be back to YouTube Red and make sure to be careful.